Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So if you are a loyal and true subscriber who has been there from the beginning, then you kind of remember this spot where it all began. I do still have my ring light, but I actually really like the natural lighting when I'm doing like a hair video. I'm gonna be doing a wash and go. I was thinking of doing like something with like a sleek side here, and then let it dry and then come back and it'll be like some type of style. So let's go ahead and start doing that. I'm actually going to start by creating a part, and I did wash and condition my hair. I use Tresemme all the time, so I don't use anything new. I used their natural shampoo and I used their smoothing conditioner. So all I'm doing is I'm just creating like a band where I want to sleek down before I start styling the curls. And then same thing over here, just a little band. I want to make sure they're they're the same, so I'm just gonna use my rat tail comb. Yeah, let's go ahead and style the curls first. I am going to be using my Gelee from Dippity-Do Girls with Curls, and maybe even a little bit of this Eco Styler gel that I got, and this is the color for color treated hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair in half and just tie it out the way, one side. And then I'm just going to be raking in the hair products. So I just apply to my hair like so. Use a little bit of my Eco Styler gel, just a little, because it ain't mine, just to hold everything in. And I'm gonna let it air dry. If you guys know me, I do not like using a diffuser, so I think I got it everywhere. Just making sure one time. Okay, same thing over here. So I just rake in the product. Hopefully the background isn't too what's it called, distracting. Yeah, I remember when I used to make videos like this, I used to be concerned about like people seeing everything in the background, but obviously then I was like first starting out. I never had a ring light. Even now I still don't have like a camera or like backdrops, but I will invest. For now, the iPhone 11 works pretty good. The camera is on fleek. I mean, don't I look good right now? Sis looks good. All right, so what I'm gonna do real quick is we're gonna do the front now before we continue styling the back. I cooked it with the Eco Gel and stuff, so I'm just gonna take this satin scrunchie and just kind of like put a ponytail, kind of like a little like this. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and sleek the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna first apply gel to get it nice and moisturized. And now we're gonna start smoothing. I do have like this clip here, so I could clip this side out the way while I work on the other side. So we're gonna keep that nearby. I give my all to you, and Simon tell you. Okay, so now I'm actually just gonna take like this little rat comb. My hair is tangled, but just for extra smoothness, I'm just gonna smooth it down like that. Okay, and then I have this boar bristle brush smoothing brush, and I'm just gonna like smooth the hair, get it nice and sleek up here. And then I'm just gonna take this clip and just pin it here for now while I work on the inside. A little Eco Styler gel. I need to re-up on some Eco Styler gel. I actually miss using it so much. It just works so nice in my hair. Eco Styler gel is the truth. Alright, so what I'm going to do before I take out the clip is I'm going to get an elastic. And first I'm going to smooth this on top for the wood. It's just nice and smooth. And put it behind. And all I'm doing now, before I take that out, is I'm gonna first just quickly get this one out and smooth one more time. Okay. So now I take it behind my ear, both sides, and I'm gonna tie the elastic on it. And you just tie it like a little tiny ponytail at the back. I'm just gonna flip my hair over. Okay, so the elastic's in, hair's out. Here's how it looks now. Okay, super cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of edges so they can dry in the place. So, especially over here, this side is like the most, has the most hair. So now I'm actually just gonna let my hair dry. That's how it looks right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and then when it's dry I'll come back and kind of give you guys like a little how it looks. All right, you guys, so it's been about like 2 to 3 hours, I would say, since I've done my hair, and this is how it looks. It looks so good, y'all. I love it. Like, the curls are popping. The curls are popping. Like, I love using Eco Styler gel for wash and goes. It just really defines your curls and holds your curls in. It never fails, and the Gelee from Dippity-Do Girls with Curls never fails me either. So yeah, I don't think I want to do anything much to it. I think it looks good so far. Hope you guys liked watching me do my hair today. Let me know if you guys like this lighting. This is the final look, the final results. My hair came out amazing. I love it. I did throw on some gold hoops to match back with my butterfly necklace that I got from my mama. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any hairstyles in mind that you want to see me do. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Leave a nice and sweet comment down below. And find me on all my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, at Kayla's Curls. See you guys in the next Kayla's Curls video.